Hello and welcome everyone to our channel. Today we will learn how to browse and download books from an online library called Digitalbook. We can easily listen and download ebooks here as a whole, chapter-wise, and even open a podcast for discussion on the book. So let's get started. First, to go to Digitalbook's page, we go to our web browser and type digitalbook.io in the search bar and press enter. It opens up to a very interactive site. We can see most popular, trending, different genre and language options on scrolling downwards. Above, we can see options like audiobooks, ebooks, favorites, and have a search bar to directly search our free domain text. Here, on this library, the source for free ebooks is Project Gutenberg and LibriVox for free audiobooks. We have already made the video on how to download book from these sites. Refer to the link in the description box below. To download audiobook, click on the Audiobooks button here. The list of popular audiobooks will open. We can select by applying different filters on the left hand side as author, language, genre, etc. Then select your desired book. For example, I select Oliver Twist. The books page will open. We can see the different details of the book here. Scrolling downwards, you can download the book chapter-wise.
This is a LibriVox recording, and all LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.
Or directly download the whole book's zip file. Through play clip button, we can listen to a sample clip of the book.
This is a LibriVox recording, and all LibriVox recordings are in the public domain.
And through open a podcast button, we can start our own podcast after logging in. Similarly, to download ebooks, we click on the above ebooks button and select our desired ebook here with the help of the given filters. For example, we select The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. On the book page, we can see the book details. Read Now button enables us to read the book online. And download button enables us to download book in EPUB, text and Kindle format, clicking on which will automatically start the download on your device. Hope you liked the video and get to read a lot of books. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon.